ഇത് തനുജ പാണ്ഡെ നമ്മളുടെ ഈ ഒരു ഇവന്റിന് ഒരു അഡ്വൈസർ ആയിട്ട് ഡൽഹിയിൽ നിന്ന് എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്ന തനുജ പാണ്ഡെയാണ് നമ്മളുടെ കൂടെ ഉള്ളത്.
So we were last year Kerala Tourism had invited us and they wanted to showcase Kerala as they wanted to do something different because Kerala is God's own country and lot of leisure tourists come in. But we said that we want to promote Kerala for events, business events and weddings. So we have a concept called scenic and sacred vows in a scenic location like Kerala, or like how conventions and big MICE events can change the perspective and perception of Kerala, because Kerala is considered as a holiday destination, but it can be also a beautiful business destination and a wedding destination. So
I think you are an advisor of Kerala Travel Mart.
So Kerala Travel Mart has done a good job. They called people like me to be a part of the creation of this particular event. But Kerala can actually do sustainable tourism, responsible tourism, because it's already so green. So reducing carbon footprints, these are the things that we should focus on for promoting business events and tourism in Kerala. So we are not just talking Cochin. I mean, we have done events in places like Kollam, which has Ashtamudi Lake, which is the second largest lake, the freshwater lake. Then you have Kumarakam, where you can do a beautiful event under the backdrop. So the locations wise, I think God's own country tabhi kehte hain because it has so much beauty. But what I am liking now is the state of art convention facilities. This Lulu Convention Center or Grand Hyatt or Le Méridien has been a convention hotel for the longest time. So Kerala already had these venues, we just have to promote them differently.
But we think that God's own country is not treated as God's own country, the society.
That's the reason, because the marketing has been focused only on a leisure segment. Now if you focus the marketing on business segments and other countries, if you do international marketing well, then international tourists will start coming to Kerala for business and leisure. This is a very good idea. In fact, there is something like this called the community radio. And in the same lines, I think you are expanding it. So what also will happen if you can empower the local smaller villagers also to talk about what is happening in their village. Today there is some food festival going on. Even those things you can cover and broadcast it to a wider audience.
Definitely.
So this is like a community radio concept which you can take in TV.
After 15 years back, the UN also accepted our works.
Wow. Congratulations, and tomorrow it's our Independence Day. But thank you so much for having me. Namaste. Thank you.